Stop what you're Googling. Those Katy Perry pics you search for are putting your personal data at risk. Did you know that a simple web search for a famous actress or a pop star could lead you to a trap laid out by a cybercriminal? Well, it's true, and certain celebrities are riskier than others. McAfee released the results of their 7th annual Most Dangerous Celebrities list, revealing the riskiest stars to search for online. On this year's list, 9 of the top 10 were female, including Victoria's Secret model Adriana Lima at number 9 and Britney Spears at number 7. The only man in the top 10? Mad Men star Jon Hamm. And who doesn't love Jon Hamm? He's handsome and talented, great in both drama and comedy. A man's man. A ladies' man. Damn you, Jon Hamm, you're perfect. So what's so dangerous about searching for these stars? According to McAfee, cybercriminals capitalize on the public's fascination with celebrity to lure them to sites laden with malware that enables them to steal passwords and personal information. One click on the wrong site could prompt you to download pictures or videos of Miley Cyrus that come with bonus viruses and malware. The highest instances of malware sites came from combined searches of a celebrity name plus the terms nude pictures or free downloads. So searching for poorly photoshopped Katy Perry nudes gives you an overall risk percentage of 10.4. The top 5 of McAfee's most dangerous celebrities are a random mix of females. Star Trek's Zoe Saldana is at number 5, comedian Kathy Griffin is at number 4, Sandra Bullock takes you to 3rd place, and as if you needed more of a reason to avoid her, Avril Lavigne is at 2nd place, giving you a 12.7% chance of getting a virus. The number 1 most dangerous celebrity to search for in 2013? Lily Collins. Seriously? Lily Collins? Some of you are probably asking, Lily who? Well, she's the daughter of Phil Collins and the star of this year's The Mortal Instruments City of Bones. She's probably best known for her turn as Snow White in Mirror Mirror. And searching for Miss Collins yields a nearly 1 in 7 chance of landing on a malicious site filled with spyware, adware, spam, phishing, viruses, and/or other malware. Last year's top spot belonged to Harry Potter star Emma Watson, who dropped off the list entirely. So good news, pervs, the web just got a little bit safer for you to conjure your Patronus to Hermione Granger. Also booted from the list were Jessica Biel, who came in 2nd last year, and Megan Fox, who used to be number 6. McAfee offers some fairly obvious tips to stay protected when you're searching for sexy celeb pics. Beware of sites that prompt you to download anything before providing you with content, avoid free downloads from random sites, and don't log in or provide other personal information for access. Such requests are a common phishing tactic. Most of this should be common sense. If a website looks questionable, it's probably best not to trust it. And if you're curious where your favorite star ranks on the most dangerous list, we'll leave a link to the press release in the show notes below. If you missed this weekend's episode of WTFN, Scott and Annie announced that TechFeed News is coming to an end very soon. With less than a week left, we want to know what you would like to see on TFN. Leave your requests, questions, and comments down below, and we'll do our best to respond to as many as we can. You can find me in the meantime on Twitter at Chastity_V. Thanks for watching. For TFN, this is Chastity.